Hey there, iPhone users! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your favorite tunes and apps? Don't let a disabled iPod trap your memories. See how you can instantly wipe that lockout screen, reclaim your device, and get back to the music and photos you love in just minutes. How to unlock disabled or unavailable iPod without iTunes. Way 1. Use iDevice Passcode Removal Tool without iTunes. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is trusted software that disables screen time on iPhones or iPads without needing the passcode or affecting data. Depending on your iOS version, it can remove or recover the passcode. It also unlocks disabled devices and bypasses iCloud or Apple ID. After downloading and installing Passixer from the official website, launch the software on your Mac or Windows. From the home screen, select Wipe Passcode to begin. Confirm your iPod or iPhone device information and click Start. The tool will then download the appropriate firmware for your device. And wait, once the download is complete, enter 0000 and press Unlock to start the unlocking process. In just a few minutes, you'll see a wiped passcode successfully message on the screen. Way 2. Use the Erase iPod option without iTunes or a computer. Repeatedly enter the wrong passcode until the Erase iPod or iPhone prompt appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap this option, confirm the action, and your iPod will begin erasing itself. This process removes the passcode, but also deletes all data on the device, restoring it to factory settings. After the reset, you can set up your iPod or iPhone as new or restore from a backup if you have one. Way 3. Use the Find My feature without iTunes or a computer. Go to iCloud.com/find on any web browser or use the Find My app on another Apple device. Sign in with the Apple ID linked to the locked iPod, locate your device in the list, and select Erase this device. This will remotely erase all data and remove the passcode, restoring the iPod to factory settings. After erasing, choose Remove this device to clear activation lock, allowing you to set it up again as new or restore from a backup. How to unlock a disabled or unavailable iPod with iTunes. Open iTunes on Windows or older macOS, or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. iTunes or Finder will detect the device and prompt you to either restore or update it. Choose Restore. This process will erase the iPod, removing the passcode and unlocking the device. After the restoration is complete, you can set up the iPod as new or restore it from a backup. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is truly appreciated.